Okay, so for the lab of the standard access list, let's make it simple one because it's only standard access list. Will not like take a lot of time. I will need a layer 3 device that supports multiple fast Ethernet devices, and I believe all of those are supporting maybe 2 fast Ethernet devices only and some multiple gigabit Ethernet. So it's no problem at all because in the real life you'll find multi-layer switches much more than you find routers. So let's be more realistic. Let's use a multi-layer switch as a router here today. And for the end devices, what will I need is that maybe PC number 1 is in the sailing department, PC number 2, let's make it in the accounting department, and this server, the internal server of the network, or maybe it's the internet, etc. So let's connect them in this star topology this way, like to make it this one. So it should be clear to you. Okay, agreed. And would you please fast forward a bit? Thank you. We will have 3 different networks. Network number 1 will be 1.1.1.0/24. Network number 2 in here on the left should be 2.2.2.0/24, and network number 3 obviously will be 3s/24. So as simple as that. The goal will be first do the initial config, make the gateways, make everyone is reachable to everyone. Okay, so let's make all of them are able to communicate, all of them. That's a first goal. The second goal after that, deny PC number 2 from reaching everything. Okay, see the big problem that will be here? Or should we make it a bit of harder? Well, that should be enough. Okay, let's make it a bit harder on the extended access list. So just first of all make it all of them are able to communicate every other one, and after that mention deny for PC number 2, and that's it. So but we'll first start, let's start with the end devices. This end device in here should acquire or obtain an IP address .2 and make it /24. Let's make the gateway.1, which will be the IP address for fast Ethernet 01 in this switch, not this other network. Let's give it the IP address. I hope that you have started to perform this before me. It should be an ABCD for you now. Just in case it wasn't, just inform me to discuss it furthermore. Okay, this is how a server looks like. See, all those are hard disks. Those are multiple hard disks, some multiple DVD drives, etc., some Ethernet, and how to switch it on and off. These are what you will find on some types of the servers in the world. 1.2 and 255s and 1.1.1.1. This is an initial config. It does nothing because we need to work a lot in here. Okay, in the CLI, no, please enable. So this is called a switch. I do not agree because I want to make it a layer 3 device. So let's call it the main hostname, the main device. Okay, let's make it this way. For fast Ethernet 01 interface, fast Ethernet 01, no switch port of course, I want to configure an IP address, and that will be 2.1 and 255s all the way. Exit, hit the up arrow key 4 times, again in fast Ethernet 02, up arrow key 4 times, and let's make it, which one is fast Ethernet 02? This one, yes, this way, 4 times up, fast Ethernet 03, heading to the server, IP address should be 1.1.1.1. I believe there is a space in here, and hit the up arrow keys for time. That's it. So I gave an IP address for all the gateways. It's okay. For reachability, and those are three different domains, three different broadcast domains, three different networks. So we will need routing between them. So let's apply OSPF. That should be router OSPF 1. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about that. Please initial the IP routing core inside you, and after that router OSPF 1. Let's declare network 1.1.1.0 under area 0, and also advertise 2.2.2.0 and advertise 3.3.3.0. Hope you have studied chapter 3, which was about OSPF. And that's it. I'm done. Okay, so let's check this guy over here. Is it able to communicate like 3.3.3.2, which is the PC? This one, of course, we will lose the first request. That's just something normal. But the others, yes, we cannot lose them for any reason. And let's try to ping the server, which has this IP address. The first one will be dead. The others are okay. This specific guy that we will apply the access list upon its IP address, let's check its reachability for the others. .2, yes, it's reachable since the beginning. Control C because I'm done. And 2.2.2.2, yes, it's reachable. Okay, so now happy life, everyone can reach everything, but for you, you cannot reach other networks. If you are wondering, yes, just in case there was a switch in here and 100 PC from this network are connected together, they will still be able to communicate between themselves. That's okay. But just one of them, just in case one of them reached the gateway I wanted to go to the other networks, it will not be able to. Okay, so what will happen is, just as long as all of the devices in this network 3, are communicating together without the need for to reach this port, then they can do whatever they like internally. Just once, I'm sorry, once they reach this port, then we should, or the router will apply the access list rules upon them. So configure terminal access list, and we should specify a number. See, the question marks either this range or the other for the standard and the extended. So it will be number 1. I want to deny boom. I want to deny 3.3.3. I think I should type host, not just the IP address. Yes, I should deny host, and this host is 3.3.3.2. I can do no more thing. You see, I cannot type what exactly should I deny it from. I just type deny. So that's it. Hit enter. We are not done yet, because we need to provoke this interface to ask the router to open the list to read what's happening. And that should be done inside this interface fast ethernet 02. This will be configure terminal interface fast ethernet 02 access list, I'm sorry, IP access list number 1 in. What do you mean by that? Whenever, for you, I'm talking to you, Mr. Fast Ethernet 02, whenever someone wants to get send the traffic in through you, but inside your interface, your ingress interface, then stop it. You go back to access group. Access list means access list number 1, and make the router then applies the rules, all the rules of this access list upon this request. After that, you will know what action to take. So what will happen is that now access group number 1 in, enter. That's it. It's either in or out for whatever traffic coming from the others to me, in what's coming from me to the others. Okay, this should be applied to all the interfaces based upon your need. You will find it more detailed and complicated in the extended access list lab. So that's it, I'm done. Let's type end. Let's go back, let's clear the screen a bit, and let's see if you are still able to communicate others. So ping destination host unreachable. There is a problem, sir. Destination host unreachable. There is a reply, but it says don't get manipulated. There is a reply from 3.3.3.1, but it says, oh, by the way, and check the reply. It's from my gateway, from this interface. It's not even from you. You haven't replied to me because I didn't reach you. Okay, it's from this gateway. Let's try to ping maybe this server and see the reply is coming from my gateway. My gateway is telling me that the destination hosts are reachable because my gateway did stopped my request and make the router read the access list, apply the rules upon me. But for you two, you should not get affected at all by this. See? So now this other guy is talking with the server. It did not get affected by the access list. This is just a brief lab for the standard access list. I'm sorry, and that's all you need to know right now. For the extended one, we will perform a big lab and you'll have, maybe you will enjoy it. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, so just in case this one was good, jump to the other one. Just in case it wasn't, comment down below in the video, please. I will receive all the videos and comments, and will do my best to reply and make solve all of them. So let's talk furthermore about the extended access list in the upcoming video. So thank you for watching and goodbye.